What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cleaning our makeup brushes and beauty blenders. So if you do not want to miss this video, please continue watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hi guys, today is the day that we need to clean all of our makeup brushes. This is everything that I have here, completely dirty. Can't even do another makeup look until all of these are clean. So we're going to be cleaning our makeup brushes as well as our beauty blenders that are in back here. And these are all of the products that we're going to be using. It's used broke now, but we're going to be putting our dirty makeup brushes inside here, and then I'm going to be using a little bit of grape seed oil, some shampoo. This is the Aussie shampoo that I like to use, and then this is what we're going to use to clean our beauty blenders. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first thing first, you want to take a nice decent size glass jar. This is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and use just a tablespoon of shampoo, the Aussie shampoo. This is how much I have so far. So I'm also going to be mixing this with some dish soap. Oh my god, dish soap. This is the dish soap that I'm going to be using, and you kind of only need a tablespoon of this as well. I'm going to go ahead and just take the grape seed oil, and this is just so our brushes stay soft. And I'm only going to use just a drop. That's pretty much it. It doesn't need to be an entire lot. So I have a cup of the hot water boiling. I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. And honestly, that came up to like 3 cups. So while we have that there, I'm also going to go ahead and just put some more hot water on the stove, because I'm going to do this like 2 times because I feel like my brushes are extra dirty. I'm going to go ahead and let them sit in here. Once they sit here for 20 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and throw out the dirty makeup water and then put them back in here with just hot water by itself, and that's it. So let's go ahead and get the brushes inside of here, and we're going to face them down. And as you guys can see, honestly, that was just like too much water. Like, it did not need that much water at all. We're just gonna go ahead and let that sit. While this is sitting, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the beauty blenders, right? So this is what we're gonna just use this by itself for the beauty blenders. Let's go ahead and open this. And you should be able to find this type of soap at Target. This is like one of my favorite soaps. I've seen this hack on Instagram, so we're gonna go ahead and try it because I feel like I don't get my beauty blenders as clean as I would like them. So it's been 20 minutes that these brushes has been sitting. We're gonna go ahead and let that sit for another 20 minutes. And like this brush right here, this is a double-sided brush. So what I do is I actually let this part sit for 10 minutes and then I come back and flip it around. You're gonna let that sit, and then we're gonna go through them one by one and just give them some TLC. Wipe the handles because we're constantly touching this part, and we want to make sure this is clean as well. Okay, you guys, so our brushes have been sitting for 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them off really good, and then I'm gonna put them here on the towel. And when I place my brush, I'm able to place it like this, and it's facing down so no water is getting in this portion right here. So once we rinse them off, they're gonna go here, and then once they go here and we're all done, we're gonna just go ahead and take a napkin, a damp napkin with cleaning spray, and just clean off the pencil portion. We're gonna go ahead and clean the brushes off and then put them on the towel. And there are some brushes that didn't get cleaned really well that's going to need some TLC. For instance, this brush right here. You can see it's still dirty here. So for the brushes that are going to need TLC, we're going to take this. I cannot remember the name of it, but you can find it at Sephora. And then we're going to take this as well. This is the mini solid brush cleaner that you can find at Sephora as well. But don't worry, everything will be listed in the description box down below. What I'm going to do with the difficult brushes that have not been cleaned thoroughly is I'm just going to, let's take this one for example. You see, like this one is still needing to be cleaned. You still see the eyeshadow on the ending of the brush. I'm going to go ahead and just go like this, really good. Get some soap on it, and then I'm going to take it under the water and just back and forth until I feel like it's clean good enough. And we won't have to do these to all the brushes, just the ones that we abuse or the ones that just need, you know, a little bit more cleaning. So as you can see there, it is now white. We can go ahead and put it down. So that's what we're going to be doing for the more difficult brushes. Now, let's just go ahead and search through them. These right here, minus that one, these are pretty clean. We're going to go ahead and just squeeze the water off of them. When you squeeze it, they feel really, really soapy still. I can feel that shampoo still on them. So that's why we're rinsing them off. And then once we rinse them off, we're just going to wring them out and then put them on our towel. So I like to go ahead and go through the brushes, get all the ones that don't need any extra TLC, go ahead and lay those out, rinse them out, lay them out, and then cater to the needy ones later. Okay, so we were able to do all the easy brushes first. These are the brushes that just need some more extra care, that are still dirty. We're gonna go ahead and just get ready for those. And then we just have to kind of cater to these one by one until they're clean. Okay, so now that we're finished, these are all the brushes and the beauty blenders that we cleaned. And some of the brushes are on top of each other, but that's totally fine. Like, don't worry about it. Now, what we're gonna do is go ahead and just take our Windex, and this is just my choice. You can use whatever you want to use. I'm gonna go ahead and just wet my napkin, and so now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and take the end of each brush and wipe down the handle really well, and then we're done.